Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the Advanced Masks plugin for OBS Studio. First, open your browser and search for Advanced Masks OBS on Google. Then open the plugin page and click download. So you will see two download options for Windows, the zip file and the installer. The zip file requires a manual installation, but I will be using the installer. Once the download is complete, open the zip file using your extraction tool. Then open the setup file. Then make sure the OBS installation path is correct. If it's not, select the correct folder and install it. After the installation is finished, open the OBS Studio and I will add the color source. This will be used to show the mask filter. Next, right-click the color source and select filters. Then click the plus button and add the Advanced Mask filter. Now you can customize the mask however you like. Choose any mask type and adjust the settings to fit your needs. So that's how you install and use the Advanced Mask plugin for OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.